Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at how to avoid collisions by using early and substantial action. Remember that both vessels in a situation have responsibility to avoid collision. First, you want to determine the situation, meeting, crossing, or overtaking. Next, you want to determine the risk of collision by taking drift bearings or observing the vessel lighting. If you have tried to communicate with the other vessel and they are not responding and collision appears imminent, you must take early and substantial action to avoid collision. Now let's take a look at each of the three situations and actions to avoid collision. When meeting another vessel, you want to first determine bearing drift. A constant bearing indicates a high risk of collision. At nighttime, take action if you sight both red and green sidelights on the vessel. On larger vessels farther away, you may see two white masthead lights before you see the sidelights. If the masthead lights line up like a pair of range or transit lights, this indicates that you are on a collision course. Change course 90 degrees to the right to avoid collision. Continue to shoot drift bearings until the vessel is clear. When crossing another vessel, determine bearing drift. If the vessel crosses from left to right, you are the stand-on vessel. If the vessel crosses from right to left, you are the give-way vessel. At nighttime, if you are the stand-on vessel, you should see the green side light of a vessel crossing ahead. If you are the give-way vessel, you should see the red side light of the vessel crossing ahead. The fastest action to avoid collision will be to slow down or stop. This applies if you are the giveaway vessel, but it also applies if you are the stand-on vessel and the other vessel is not giving way. In any case, shoot drift bearings until you are clear. If you are being overtaken by another vessel and you see both side lights or both masthead lights and vertical line as described earlier, you must take immediate action to avoid collision. Change course 90 degrees or more. Continue to take drift bearings until the vessel is clear. Now you know how to determine risk of collision and take early and substantial action to avoid collision with another vessel. Use easy sailing navigation tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.